Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So we have the car clip. What the f? How the hell you get in here?
By the time we're back here, it's gonna be driving after we wet it.
It's fine. Alright guys, so I'm not, well, none of us are actually a professional detailer, I guess you could say, but
we have access to YouTube and we know how to use a clay bar now.
I'm gonna just rip off a piece from here. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. There's no point in using the whole thing. So you want to create like a disc form, I guess, on the clay bar. And what you want to do is, let's say I'm gonna just pick this corner for example, whatever. Just go back and forth. Just use a light pressure, you know, let the clay bar do all the work. You don't want to like press into it. No reason to do all that. We can just use light pressure and just let the clay bar do his job. Just doing this corner of the car, you can already see that it's picking up. This is probably it's picking up dirt, and I guess this is probably like overspray from when we did the engine bay and the hood was up. Alright guys, so we just finished cleaning the whole car. It's looking pretty smooth. Doesn't feel rough anymore. Of course it's wet. So now the next step would be doing a complete wash on it.
Coco in his camera, taking pictures for Import Expo. Alright guys, as you can see we got the hood off. Main man Matt right there, cleaning rims. Everything going smoothly right now. Car's looking fucking awesome right now. Look at this shine. And guess what? We still haven't even detailed.
Alright guys, so we brought the car inside, did a little photo shoot. It's already dark outside, of course.
You want chips?
It's a little hazy, like we wanted to, and just
Well.
look at that.
Look what they were hiding in the fridge.
Alright guys, so essentially what we're doing is kind of just, you know, doing it lightly, letting the compound or the product that we're using doing most of the work, just like a clay bar, I guess. It's coming out really good. If you notice from a couple clips before compared to what is coming out now, I mean the paint isn't at its best, but compared to a couple of clips before. Like this looks good. We did the whole car and man, it came out amazing. So before we had like a lot of rough spots where when you touch it, you could actually hear the paint. It was like extremely rough. We actually ended up doing the whole car and it came out great. So after using that, we ended up using Mother's Brazilian Carnauba cleaner wax. So we waxed the whole car over that and it's coming out, well, not coming up, already came out great. We did the hood. We're doing the engine bay now, cleaning up all the corners and everything. So for the next step, well, the next thing we're gonna do, which you'll probably see in the next couple videos, is lowering the car and the rims. So the chrome part has like a lot of stains, I guess. It's not really shining as it should. So we're gonna, you know, redo these things real quick. And also try to polish out the intercooler piping. And I guess we could try to do the motor mounts too. I don't think that would be too hard. Yeah, so I guess that's pretty much it, right? I mean, what else is missing on the car?
We gotta, yeah, everything you said. We just gotta touch up the little details, you know.
Yeah, we just gotta do the little, like the bolts, all that stuff, like all the
paint the roll cage.
We gotta paint this thing. It's like rusty.
And just gotta detail the. How do you say it?
Alcantara. Oh. Yeah, I mean the seats are, bro. These seats are like amazing condition. The alarm's definitely gonna go off. So if anybody had the chance to check out some JDM ITR seats, check out the condition on these seats. Like amazing.
It's really nice.
Like check out the condition on these seats. They're incredible. Like seat that's supposed to be the driver's seat. Like, you know, this would usually be folded in or whatever. A lot of creases, but it's really, really good. And even that side is really good.
How do you know it's supposed to be the driver's side?
Well, because in Japan, cars are right-hand drive.
But how do you know?
Looks like the car's ready to run and hit up some meets. I guess maybe we'll be going to Import Expo. Maybe. So again, sorry for another short video. We didn't really do much today. First of all, it's a Sunday, relaxed day. Second, it was really cold outside. And third, it gets dark like at 3 p.m. So like, come on, it's not much we can do. So if you guys like this video, you know, give that thumbs up. Check us out. Check out our other videos. And thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate all the views and new subscribers. It's great. Thank you for the support. So I'll see you in the next video. We're trying to upload at least 3 times a week. So, you know, not really on a schedule. It would be nice if we had it on a schedule, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.